odobravanju sredstava iz IPARD fondova za ruralni razvoj i poljoprivredu.
Working vi radite i da. Dobro.
Here we have a sector for the financial sector. So they provide will be kept here after the period of modern system for
organization to a journal.
we have